This is a tutorial on how to use bleaching powder, any type of bleaching powder, to make your beard white, to change the color of your beard from black, brown to white. Yeah, let us go now. Yeah, this is activator. Can you see? Application of activator and the bleaching powder. I'm trying to use instrument to mix it together. Can you see? You can use brush, you can use your hand, you can use broom, you can use anything you may prefer just to mix it together very well so that it will form paste. Now this is the beard I want to turn to white. Can you see? You see the customer on my barbing chair. I'm putting the glove by the right hand side. Yeah, I want to use the right hand side to apply the paste on the beard. You see the mixture of the activator and the bleaching powder. I'm using my hand to mix it together very well so that the powder and the activator can totally mix up and form paste. Can you see? I'm using my hand, which I put glove, yeah, nylon glove, to make sure I apply it to cover the entire hair, the entire beard of the customer. You see the way I am doing it. You see the way I'm applying it. Application of this paste is with sense, is with total sense, total real science. You don't just press anyhow, you don't pull the air anyhow. Gently you apply the paste from the scalp. Yeah, from the scalp where the hair begins to the extreme edge of the beard. You take it side by side. You first rub it on the entire hair just to form it round. After that one, you continue applying the paste. Application of the paste continues. You first use small one to apply it to all. You now be taking it little by little, adding it to the one you have done before. Step by step you continue. Can you see now? This is the first process. This is the first process of tinting your beard to white, complete white. After the application of the paste, you now use nylon. Can you see the nylon that will cover the whole beard? You see the way I position the nylon. You see it? The first one now, I've washed it off. Now you allow the beard to dry and now applying another one there. Can you see it? You see the way I'm applying another one, making number 2. Try to take note. The first step, I did not show where I wash it. I've washed the number 1 step. I've washed it. The beard has dried. Now I'm trying the application number 2. Applying, you mix another paste again, or you can mix it plenty, but what good most, you mix it little by little. When you use it for the first set, when you wash it off, you allow the hair or the beard to dry finish. When it dry finish, you now mix another paste of the same size again. You reapply it into the beard. You see the way I am reapplying the paste into the beard. Yeah, you cannot just achieve the real white color instantly. This thing is by step by step. It's by logics, it's by tricks to gain complete entire white color on the beard. It is not a powder you can just use at once. Yeah, presently there's no powder you can just use at once that will give you the color white, the white color. No powder in the market now. You will just apply and the white color will come. No, you have to use your brain, the common science. Can you see? I've applied the first one. This is the second one I'm applying. When I applied the first one, it gave me gold color, real gold, complete gold color. Now I wash it off. I'm still putting another paste. Can you see the way I roll the hair? You follow it step by step. I still want to take another form to make sure I cover the entire beard with nylon again. Wait a minute and see what is going to happen. Yeah, you see it like this. I've applied the paste round the whole beard, the entire beard, for the second time. Can you see? Starting from the scalp around the whole base of the beard. Can you see it? Can you see it? I make sure I want to apply it all to cover the whole base of the beard, the entire beard. Now I have used foam, nylon. Can you see? I'm using nylon as I first did for the first one, using the nylon to cover the whole beard. Yeah, so that no one will be outside. All the beard is in the nylon. Can you see? To produce complete heat on the beard. Can you see? Follow this thing step by step. You can use any bleaching powder to perform this wonder. Can you see the color it gives now again? It gives golden color again. Can you see it? Can you see? Just follow me step by step. You are going to see how the complete white, real color white, will come out of the beard. The color will now beautify the man than this golden color. Can you see? We are going far away. We have just started. Follow this tutorial step by step. I've applied for the number one. I've washed it. It gave me real gold. Real gold. And now apply for number two. That is second time. Then when you apply the paste for the first time, you allow the paste to stay at least between 20 to 30 minutes. Let me still talk it again. You allow the paste, when you use nylon to cover it up, cellophane, you use it to cover it up, so that the entire beard will be inside cellophane producing heat. Yeah, can you see? So when you allow the nylon to be there to cover the beard for at least between 20 to 30 minutes for the first one, the second one too, you still reapply. You cover with nylon, you still cover it for between 20 to 30 minutes. Can you see the color it produce again? The color for the second one is now lighter than the first one. The first one is real gold, very very real gold. But now this one is the gold color reduce the shining than the first one. The color is fading. It's fading away little by little. The first one, it was real golden color. The second one now, there is little white there. Can you see? It's not completely real gold again. The color is changing from gold to lighting gold, light one. Can you see? This is the second time. Now I have changed the cape. The cape was yellow. The beard was yellow. You won't see it very well. That is why I changed the cape to blue color, so that you can be able to see the texture, the color of the beard. I'm now trying to test. You know, when you wash it for the second time, for the first time, you allow the beard to dry. When you wash it off, you allow it to dry or finish. After dry, you put fan there or under AC, or you blow it with breeze so that the complete beard will dry. After drying, you are now reapplying another one again, number 3. That is number 3rd. This is the 3rd time I'm now applying the paste on it again. You mix for the first one, you apply. Don't mix too much, so that you mix fresh paste for for each process. You understand what I'm trying to say? The first one you do, you really mix the complete paste you are going to use for it. Then you clean the plastic. When you clean the plastic, now the next one you want to apply, that is the second time. You now reapply another paste, another activator and powder. When you now mix together as a paste, you use it completely. Then you wash the plastic you use. Then you now remix again for the 3rd one. That is the 3rd, number 3 process. That is the 3rd process now. You put on the activator, then you put on the powder. You now mix the two together. Yeah, to make paste, you now reapply it in the same process you apply number one, the same process you apply number two, then the same process you still apply for the number third time. That is how you will continue. That is the number three now. Can you see it? I have finished the application of the paste. Can you see? I now cover it with another nylon again, that is cellophane. I now cap it up. This one is capping. I now cover it up completely so that the heat will completely form on it. After about or between 20 and 30 minutes, I now wash it off again. Can you see the way I'm washing it? You can see that is the number third I'm washing now. Then can you look at the color of the bed now? The color is now changing, migrating from the gold to white. Can you see in between the gold and the white color now? Can you see? This is the logic you are going to use. You cannot get the white accurately, straightforward like that. Can you see? Can you see that the color is now changing? This is number 4 now. Can you see the mixture I'm mixing now? You see the powder, you see the activator. That is for the fourth time, number 4. I'm now mixing it up. You mix each paste for each process you are taking. Don't mix it plenty so that you'll be taking it little by little. No, it won't react actually the want you want it to react. The product you want it to give you, it might not give you like that way. Mix fresh paste for the each process. Can you see? I'm going for number 4 now, trying to apply the paste. You see the way I'm applying the paste to cover the whole entire head, the entire beard, right from the base, surrounding base of the beard, to cover everything up to the extreme edge of the beard. Follow me step by step the way I am doing it. This thing is logical. Can you see it? You continue like that. If you are not actually sure, you need to go back, because you will get totally confused when you apply number 1, you apply for number 2, you did not see the real reaction you want. You apply for number 3, your mind will change. Don't let your mind change. Yeah, don't let your mind change. You have to continue. When you continue the application, the color will now be changing little by little. If you are using gold color before, the color will now be fading little by little. The golden color will be totally removing little by little from the color. From the inner part of it, the white color will now be migrating out. You now be surfacing out. Can you see? This is the number 4 I'm doing now. I've finished the application of the paste. I've now used nylon, that is cellophane, to cover it up. Can you see? I want to cover it up now. After the application of the paste, you apply the paste to the entire complete area of the hair, right from the base to the top. You now cover it completely again. You won't leave any space open. Can you see the way I cover it up? I cap it. Can you see? I cover it up so that there's no space in between the cellophane and the bed and the paste. Can you see the way I cover it up now? Then you now allow it between 20 to 30 minutes again. This thing is a long process before you can really achieve the white color, white color beard. Can you see? After 30 minutes now, I have now removed the nylon with the paste. Can you see it? I've removed it off now. Now I want to wash it. You wash it carefully, because let me tell you one thing about this paste. If you are using original activator and powder, this powder is not easy to apply. It used to chop the hand. That is why I use the glove. It will peel off your skin. Then secondly, as you apply it on the customer or on yourself, you will be feeling the heat. This thing will be peppering, getting hot on your head or any part you apply it. That is how you are going to know that the chemical you are using, the powder, the bleaching powder and the activator you are using are original. Yeah, you need to feel the heat on your head. You need to feel the pain. Little pain will come. little peppering will come. For you to feel the exact area you apply the paste on, you must have to feel it different from the others you did not apply the paste on. Can you see? So when you are applying for a customer, for your friend, for your family member, for your area guys or area girls, you see, you need to ask them whether this thing is getting hot, is peppering. If there's no heat, if there's no peppering, it will not work. Yeah, I'm telling you sincerely, all those ones I'm using, it used to hot, not too much hot, but you need to feel the exact area you apply the paste to different from the way you did not apply it to. Can you see now? The color is out now. Can you see the white color? Can you say the white color? That is why I am telling you that you cannot get white straight. The white is by logic. You follow my tutorial step by step. Please don't forget, if this is the first time for you to watch my tutorial, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This stream you are watching, look under by the right hand side. Look under by the right hand side. You will see where the right SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe. Use your finger to press. It will now change to subscribe with notification bell. Press that notification bell. The notification bell will now divide into three bells, one down, one center, one up. Press the one at the top painted in white color. Write ALL beside. Press it so that as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel, you will be the number one to be seeing my video. For the subscribe, you can be able to see all my YouTube video I produce. If you are a barber, you have a barber as a friend, please help me share this video. Let the whole barber enjoy this tutorial. Let them subscribe to my channel so that they can be able to see all the YouTube and all the videos I have produced. They can be able to see all. They can be able to watch and gain from all. Yeah, can you see the white color has come out? This is how and the way, the easiest way to achieve white beard color. Can you see it? Yeah, can you see? This thing is by logic, it's by trick. But when you first start, if you are not sure of what you are doing, you go back.